When you kind of started your, TLG, it sounds like you already were familiar with ink. So it sounds like kind of since inception, you've always been using this product.
Yes, since inception, and even before that, I was recommending it to other public adjusters as well. I know there's another dear friend of mine that has his own like one-man show also. It's called Claims Advisors. They also been using you guys, and he's like super happy. The owner is Brian English.
Okay.
Super cool guy.
Maybe you could speak to maybe some of the challenges you saw and kind of how it has helped your business, not only since inception, but kind of solve those challenges and helped you grow.
Whenever we receive that check, it was just a mission to get all those signatures, right?
Right.
And then once we get the signatures, the check to be sent to the actual mortgage company, make sure that the right person gets it on a timely manner, and then start following up, because sometimes they get lost in the mountain of checks probably that they receive on a daily basis. Definitely, ink was a key tool that we use here since inception to be able to expedite that and to make sure that there's a clarity in the process, and there's no I'm gonna do everything and don't worry, I'm gonna get you money, but like they can always see.
Right.
They have access to the portal. They can see exactly where they're going.
So the transparency piece.
Exactly. That's one of the things that I like the most. And the constant communication that they have with the clients. If they're missing anything, they call them.
So it sounds like you're using a good amount of Ink Pro, or do you see that you're finding maybe Ink Pay more lucrative just because it's free? Or how are you kind of using the price?
I use both because of the fact that it's so easy. Just like you don't have to worry about the check, you don't have to worry about depositing, just like scan it and then just send it, and then that's it. You forget about it.
Ink, it seems like it's kind of just helps you really streamline a lot of your client relationships, and probably has helped you maybe take on and scale your business a little quicker. Do you feel like that's potentially a fair statement?
Yes, it is, because like the time that I have saved by not having to be pursuing the status of the check it's invaluable. For me, at least, I prefer to spend that time networking or like prospecting or working on different ways how to generate more leads than having to waste it on just following up on where the check is,
Right.
That's why I think what I found out about ink, and the more that I learned about it, the more that I realized, I have to work with these guys.
Would you say that ink saves you a certain amount of time each week? And if so, do you have an idea of how much time that might be?
I've never experienced life without you guys.
That's true. That's
so
true.
It's hard for me to put a number, but I do remember before working with ink, an average time from the moment that I sign it, a claim, until the moment I received the payment was between 5 to 8 months.
Wow.
It was a super long time. And my average claim from the moment I open until I close is less than 5 months.
We appreciate it, honestly, and we definitely value as a customer. So hopefully this case study will reflect kind of our great relationship and all of those things. Really appreciate you taking the time on this Friday, and we'll be talking soon.